Chapter 1, Humble Beginnings. Take a look at that globe. Sons of Guns may be a widespread cultural phenomenon now, but they started out like any other family-based genre-hopping opera pop band, as no more than a blip on the radar. The Anderson-Saunders Creative Collective has a long history in entertainment, from Christmas Eve pageants to synchronized swimming routines like the well-received 2003 Country Inn and Suites exhibition, to short films like the infamous and a tad PG-13 rated Big Happy Family. To musical theater, dance routines, the list goes on. But it wasn't until one fateful Thanksgiving night that Sons of Guns was born. Claire Anderson, who you may now know as the lead vocalist and major superstar in the band, had a single perfect phrase stuck in her head. You guessed it, son of a gun. She took that simple refrain, "You crazy son of a gun," and with the help of the other two founding Sons of Guns band members, head lyricist Luke Anderson and composer-lyricist Ian Saunders, put it to a beautiful, catchy, and unmistakably original tune. Son of a Gun, Sons of Guns' first official release, has been lost in the archives, but here's an exclusive 2012 updated snippet of the landmark tune.
You son of a gun, you crazy son of a gun, you crazy son of a what? Hey, gun. It's over, hon, we are so done, you crazy son of a what? Hey, gun. Son of a, son of a, son
A beautiful performance, to be sure. Launching off of their first hit single, Sons of Guns were equipped with the desire and the ability to pursue a successful music career, but found themselves briefly creatively aimless. That didn't last long though, as they soon honed into one object of admiration, one perfect songwriting muse, their stunning and classy grandmother, Shirley Anderson. And here's where the magic starts. Their next studio session resulted in something more than the pure pop perfection that was Son of a Gun. Their genre-hopping and avant-garde second effort, Did I Ever Tell You That?, is an exploration of Shirley's beauty and a bold departure from their previous work. This release marks the beginning of Sons of Gun's truly groundbreaking and extremely productive Meditations on Grandma's Face era. The work that followed includes In the Book, another genre hopper that flirts with jazz and tribal Indian music styles. Mother's Mother, the Luke and Ian collaboration with the Big Dance Breakdown, which is perhaps Sons of Guns' biggest hit even to this day, and Lovebirds, a heartfelt tune accompanied by the most touching lyrics Mr. Anderson has ever written. Although their rabid fan base was growing, Sons of Guns had not yet proven themselves capable as a live band. With their grandparents' anniversary cruise celebration fast approaching, the band assembled a team to write a special song commemorating 50 amazing years. Luke, Ian, and Grace, in her Sons of Guns vocal debut, completed Here We Go, a meditation on love, just in the nick of time, and the band took to the sea to prepare for their live debut on the eve of their grandparents' anniversary and to celebrate 50 years of marriage in 50 waking hours.
50 days, 50 years since Harperley Road to kill a mockingbird. 50 years since the wedding day. 50 years. That's all I have to say.
There's like no in between. It's either gonna be a sensation or it's gonna be like the worst thing ever. Like there's no in between. It's just either gonna be incredible and everyone's gonna love it, or it's gonna be terrible and everyone's gonna be scarred for life.
And what are you referring to? What are you talking about?
The Sons of Guns song too.
Here we go. Here we go, 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 go!
Where would we be without our grandmother? Without our grandmother, where would we be?
There's the golden voice. That's what we need.
Where would we be? Where would we be?
Just so bad.
Watch me.
You're gonna kick her in the face, I'm telling you.
This could go down in history, but it's Claire can't sing.
I report to you
I feel like
here
we're putting
the
too much
mental
pressure on her.
mental breakdown of Claire Anderson. The once proclaimed voice has clearly lost her edge.
Look, wait, we can just get the words and everything on YouTube. We can just
Except
Michael
we-
Jackson, I
we
can't
can't.
find new lyrics. So
We don't have
start
internet.
You know, how do we have
A
internet?
crisis. A crisis. The 21st century child is rocked. How do we not have internet is the question on everyone's mind.
Everyone else got me high. It's hard to get by.
I just can't stop loving you. I just can't stop loving. Okay, so it's all free? Okay, perfect. Then I would like a hot chocolate, a milk, a chocolate milk, a cheesecake, a chocolate cake, and a creme caramel. And you know the room number? Yeah, perfect. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
We all hide it, Claire could not get it. Thanks, guys.
Claire, I think Lovebirds is gonna be the song that you shine.
Sing for happiness.
I want.
Just get it, it'll be great. Just get the caramel creme.
Show it to me, Lucas.
It looks disgusting. There's little floaters. It's like soup with a turd in it with a pineapple on top.
I'm literally about to pee in my pants. I'm laughing so hard.
There's no caramel
I have no
whatsoever.
strength.
Is that a lemon or a pineapple? What is, with a little chocolate
I'm gonna pee in
line?
my pants.
It looks like a turd.
I have no strength.
Good turd, sir. Feed it to me.
Give it, boy.
God, so good.
I just want to see what it tastes like. What does it taste like, Luke?
Jake, what's the best feeling you've ever had? Multiply it by 1,000.
Oh, Ian, check this out. Put this on video.
Okay, wait. Yes. Yes, what is this?
I haven't showered because I want to keep this on. And then at the end, I'll be like, good night, everybody!
Because of massages, we have to get loose for the show, or else we'll be tense and it won't come from our heart.
Seriously, I bet the stars are incredible out in the
Alright,
ocean.
this is Sons of Guns rehearsal, one night only, tour 2010, meditations on Grandma's face. Here's Luke under my arm. Alright, here's Claire right here. Here's Jake.
Sup?
Alright, we're gonna go to bed, and tomorrow is the show.
Force is with us today.
Good morning, everybody.
We're going to breakfast.
No droids here. We're good.
I know. We're like straight in episode 2 right now. I think you stopped.
There's a disturbance in the forest.
I suddenly feel like 1,000 voices cried out, and then we're silent.
oh my gosh, so we glance over, and this little punk in his little SC hat comes over, attempts to balance the cone on the table, like, oh, I'm just going to leave this here for one moment, realizes he has overloaded his cone, does not stand, topples over, and instead he dashes off. Here I am thinking, oh, Vlad's going to go get some paper towels, some little napkin, something or other, I don't even know. Next thing I know, he's looped around, he's heading for the exit. He's not looking back, he's not looking back.
And as a smart, nice, hot black man would say, only on a cruise.
On the advice of their manager, Tim, Sons of Guns took a midday sabbatical / golf cart tour of Catalina Island. While on the island, they took some promo shots and had a chance to regroup before the big show. After returning back to the SS Shirley's Face, they proceeded to break the news about the exclusive one-night-only concert to their grandparents.
Your face has been, you're a celebrity now, just so you know, everyone's gonna know who you are. Grandma, you have 16 walking, living, breathing advertisements.
We are resting up for dinner.
Well, did you see our board, Grandma?
Yes, I've been seeing you.
Did you see ours just now?
Yeah, I walked right by it.
Sons of Guns, searching for their grandparents. We went for the wandering all over for you. We went for the big reveal on the pool deck and you weren't there. We were made quite a scene, didn't we?
Were you there?
Grandma, this is foreshadowing for what's to come.
We'll come to you.
Alright. Take a look at your beautiful wife.
That's your wedding picture.
Wedding picture?
Are you even wearing?
Stencil.
Yeah.
Turn around.
I hate to spoil it for you, but the one night only is tonight.
So welcome to Grandma and Grandpa's 50th wedding anniversary. Now we will have a rousing performance from your very own Sons of God. Look at your light, look at your light, look at your light to heaven. I ain't worth living if I can't be with you. I just can't stop loving you. Can't stop loving you. First stop, then tell me just what will I do? I can't stop loving you.
Shirley, why do you cherish Joe? Why do you cherish Joe, Shirley?
Because I remember that day when I said I do. I looked you in the eyes and I said, I love you. And each and every day since, we're true. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Give birth to the one who gave birth to me. You gave birth to the one who gave birth to me. You gave birth to the one who gave birth to me. I am your beautiful offspring. Chicago, in a
Sons of Guns!